Why Soundbox? Most sample libraries consume a huge amount of computer resources, memory in particular. By offloading the resources to a Soundbox, you free up the computer's memory and DSP to run whatever DAW program with more efficiency and greater speed. We all love our Macs, and most composers and producers use Logic, Pro Tools, or Digital Performer. Why not use the Mac as a slave? For example, if you have a single instance of a resource-hungry plugin, such as Kontakt or Omnisphere, look at the activity monitor and you can see that the plugin runs on a single core. On a Soundbox, we can use the same instance to show how the load is spread across all processor cores as seen in the Task Manager. You can see that we barely hit 1 or 2% of the processor's load. Also, you can see that the load is spread across all 12 cores. This makes it nearly impossible to overload a Soundbox, while it's easy to overload a single core on a Mac. You can also see Mac's usage is down to a minimum, which again frees up your Mac CPU. For a free demonstration, contact us at www.soundboxpro.com.